How to invite friends on Temu app in 2024. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open the Temu app on your device and make sure to log into your account. If you do not have this app, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. If you want to invite friends on the Temu app, there is a very easy process for this. The first step is to tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and search for Lucky Flip. Here, if you want to learn about the rules, you can tap on the rules option and then learn how to play it and also the eligibility of this. Now, you want to tap on the option of invite new app users to flip. Tap on this option. Now, you can tap on the copy link option. Once the link has been copied to your clipboard, you can head over to whichever platform you want and then send this link to your friend. You also have the option to copy the code. For that, tap on copy code option. This is your referral code. All you have to do is tap on the copy code option. You can refer friends to download Temu and search your code, and then you will be able to get your reward from each successful referral. Tap on the option of copy code and now you can share this with your friends, and this is how you can invite friends on the Temu app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.